Hello students, I am back with the new topic of the lesson motion and time. So before starting the new topic, let's revise what we have learned in previous video. So in previous video I told you about speedometer and odometer. You might have seen a motor fitted on the top of a scooter or a motorcycle. Similarly, meters can be seen on the dashboards of cars, buses and other vehicles. This is called a speedometer. It records the speed directly in km per hour. There is also another meter that measures the distance moved by the vehicle. This meter is known as odometer. Now let's see the next topic of the lesson, distance time graph. Distance time graph is the graph plotted between the distance in y-axis and time in x-axis. The slope of a distance time graph gives the speed of an object. Look closely to the picture. So in first graph, you can see the distance and time is given. An object is moving. And in second graph, a second horizontal graph is there. It means that object is at rest position. Let's look at the actions. Time is always plotted on the x-axis at the bottom of the paper and distance always plotted on the y-axis side of the graph paper. So plotting distance against time can tell you a lot about motion. If an object is not moving, a horizontal line is shown on the distance time graph. Time is increasing to the right, but its distance does not change. It is not moving. We say it is at rest. If an object is moving at a constant speed, it means it has the same increase in distance in a given time. Time is increasing to the right and distance is increasing constantly with time. This means the object moves at a constant speed. Constant speed is shown by the straight line on a graph. Let us learn how to plot distance time graph for the given data. Draw two straight lines. One is in horizontal direction and other is in vertical direction from the left side, bottom corner of the graph paper in vertical direction. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin O. Plot the time value on the x-axis and distance covered on y-axis. Analyze our data and choose proper scale. Your graph should spread out on the maximum surface of the paper. Plot the independent value or time on the x-axis and dependent value or distance on y-axis. Plot the points. Now join the plotted points to get best fit graph. So if the distance time graph is a straight line, It indicates that the object is moving with a constant speed. However, if the speed of the object keeps changing, the graph can be of any shape. Distance time graphs provide a variety of information about the motion when compared to the data presented by a table. For example, it gives information about the distance moved by the vehicle only at some definite time intervals. On the other hand, from the distance time graph, we can find the distance moved by the vehicle at any instant of time. Hope you understood. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write in comment box. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.